Hey, what's up guys? This is Apocaven again with an unboxing, this time from a different city. I am no longer living in Singapore. I have moved to Austria, and this year I will experiment a bit with Galaxy S10. Yes, the phone that everyone wants to buy at the moment. It's very attractive. It's the 10th anniversary phone from Samsung. It's great according to the last reviews that I have seen over the last 2 weeks. I have the retail version here. I ordered it from S10 in Austria, and it actually arrived on the day of launch. On the day of launch, delivered by the postal service here in Austria. It arrived really on time at around noon. So we will do quickly the unboxing. It's wrapped in plastic, as you can see. Okay, and we rip this off and we start uncovering this beauty. I ordered this in Prism White. I love that color, and as you can see around, I ordered some other stuff to use and to complete my Galaxy experience. I ordered the touchpad, and also I ordered the protective case covering, which is clear so that I can see the lovely white color. This is from ESR. It's one of the best I have seen so far, but maybe in the coming month more cases will come out. I can do a future coverage if you would like on that in the coming months, but for now let's concentrate on the Galaxy S10. Now, there is this seal here that I have to remove. It says do not accept if the seal is broken. The seal is not broken, so definitely I will accept it. Okay, so I'm cutting this seal. I'm very afraid to do any damages to the box. Okay, the seal is off, and now we can remove the top cover. Wow. You can see the phone here immediately in all its glory. Of course, very black OLED screen, just waiting to be turned on. It's wrapped in plastic, and this is the beautiful prism white color. Good. Maybe it has some residual battery inside. Let's see if it switches on at least. Okay, so it's switching on, and you can see it's Samsung Galaxy S10. We will continue the setup later on. In the meantime, we just look quickly at what's in box. Okay, I did not yet receive the Galaxy Buds. I applied for them online because when you order this not directly from Samsung, you have to apply separately online. I can put some links below on the website of Austria that you can use to order your Galaxy Buds if you did the pre-order in Austria. So here there is the fast charger, there is the adapter, USB-C to USB-A. This is used to transfer the data from one phone to another. Oh, I just noticed that if you turn this box, I don't know if it's visible in the video, but it has the nice prism white effect of the phone. It's a slightly rainbow color. So this is the fast charger, this is the adapter. What do we have here? Here we have USB-C charging cable, and yes, this is the USB-C charging cable, and AKG earbuds. Okay, I never used AKG, so this is the first time I will try this experience. We'll see how that goes. And this is a braided cable that should theoretically not to get the cable tangled when you are using them. Yes, I managed to open it, and these are the buds. They come with the medium size silicone tip on them, and the rest of the tips are here, and it's with the headphone jack. And of course this phone has still the headphone jack, as you can see. Good. Now I will continue with the setup. I hope you liked this very brief unboxing. Subscribe and thumbs up if you liked it. We'll see you next time. Peace.
We'll be right back.